Do you ever get that strange feeling you have these huge goals in your head, becoming top of your class, getting fit, fixing your routine, building something meaningful, but your actions just don't match up? You want to move, to change, to start, but something inside you just freezes. And the worst part, you start calling yourself lazy. But what if I told you that you're not lazy at all? You're conflicted inside your brain. There are two powerful systems constantly at war. One part, let's call it the ambitious brain, absolutely loves goals, progress, and achievement. It's the part that dreams big, but the other part, your survival brain, hates uncertainty, effort, and anything that even feels slightly threatening. So every time you think about that big, exciting goal, your survival brain starts whispering in your ear, what if you fail? What if you look stupid doing this? That's way too much energy. Let's just do it tomorrow. And suddenly, without even realizing it, you're scrolling on your phone or watching another episode. Your mind isn't weak, it's just trying to protect you from potential failure or discomfort. Psychologists have a name for this, the avoidance loop. Our brains are hardwired to steer clear of anything that looks overwhelming, even if it's something that's really good for us in the long run. This is why exactly incredibly talented students procrastinate on their assignments, while super creative people stall on their projects. And that's why the most ambitious minds often feel the most frozen. But here's the breakthrough that can change everything. Your brain doesn't respond well to big, intimidating goals, it responds to small, achievable wins. When you think about starting something massive, it triggers fear and resistance. But when you start something tiny, it triggers momentum. So let's reframe this. Instead of telling yourself, I have to finish this entire project, try saying, I'm just going to work on it for 2 minutes. Instead of, I need to fix my whole life, just focus on I'll fix one small habit today. Don't study the whole chapter, just read one single page. You see what's happening? You're tricking your brain by lowering the pressure so much that it has no reason to object. The task seems so easy, so non-threatening that your survival brain just lets it happen. And once you start, something magical occurs. A little bit of dopamine, the feel-good chemical, gets released. And suddenly, the work feels a little easier, a little more enjoyable. We often get this backward. We think action is fueled by motivation, but the truth is, motivation is fueled by action. And here's the twist that almost no one talks about. Ambitious people often struggle with this the most. Why? Because their goals are the biggest. Their expectations for themselves are the highest. The gap between where I am right now and where I want to be feels like a giant chasm. So naturally, their brain slams on the brakes the hardest. If you're ambitious but feel stuck, it's not because you're lazy, it's because your dream is so big that it's intimidating your own mind. So, how do you break this cycle for good? First, make your goals ridiculously tiny and non threatening. Second, celebrate every small win, no matter how insignificant it seems. This trains your brain to associate action with a reward. Third, focus on building systems, not relying on fleeting motivation. Create a routine that makes it easy to do the right thing. Fourth, remove friction. Simplify your environment. If you want to go to the gym, lay out your clothes the night before. If you want to read more, put a book on your pillow. And finally, treat the effort like brushing your teeth, something small you do daily, automatically, without an internal debate. When you shrink the steps, you remove the fear. When you remove the fear, you unlock action. And when you unlock action, you finally tap into the incredible potential you always knew you had. So if you're ambitious but lazy, remember this, you are not broken. You are not lazy, you're just one tiny step away from becoming unstoppable. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, Be sure to subscribe for more content that helps you decode the world around you and the world inside you.